Hi guys, good morning YouTube. Today is a very lovely day. It's sunny. Well, for the past 2 days it didn't rain, so our dragon fruit is very happy about that. And today we're going to be talking about how to remove the drying flowers from your dragon fruit, especially when or after it rains.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of flowers that have bloomed, and today we're going to remove them. The flowers. Why? Well, I can show you one here. It's okay if it's really sunny, but as you can see here, they're starting to rot, and well, it may affect our fruits. There might be some infection, and to distinguish when it's time for us to remove the flower is a very significant color here. You see, it's bare, the yellow and the green part. You see. Okay, so here it is. Well, any way you want it, up or down, left or right, just knock it down like that. And you just have to pull, hitting the stigma. See, even the stigma is beginning to rot as well. And this one, well, you don't want to keep that. Okay. So let's try it on another angle. Down, up, and pull. That's as simple as that. Well, you can use them, and you can put it in your compost bin. Okay, let's try it with on just one hand. Okay. And there it goes. Let's try to get that some more. You can actually hear the cracking. Still crisp. So now we have 4. And there's about 2 more to go. Here's another one. And out it goes. So you can use both hands or just one-handed. Alright. And there's some more buds popping out. And one is ripening right there. The fruit's gonna be picked 2 or 3 more days. More buds. A little larger. And this one. And voila! There's one more almost ready to be picked or harvested. Alright, just to be on the safe side, you can just cut it out. Just like that. Okay, thanks for watching and ciao for now.